This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable friend requests on the Discord app using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Discord app. To enable or disable friend requests, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner down to where I see my username area. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper right hand corner, the little gear wheel, I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Content and Social and tap on Content and Social. Then I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the friend request area. And in the friend request area, there's three different options. You can enable or disable any one of them. Do you want to receive friend requests from everybody? You can toggle that on or off. As you see, mine is currently on, but if I tap on it, the toggle, it toggles it off. Do I want to receive friend requests from friends of friends? Do I want to receive friend requests from server members? That is how to enable or disable friend requests on the Discord app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.